Hi, to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly you need to find and open your Gemini app, which looks like that. Then on the top you'll see the circle, which is actually your profile icon, so tap it, and here choose to switch to Google Assistant. Then switch from Gemini to Google Assistant by tapping it, and here confirm. And now let's try this out. I'm gonna say, "Hey Google," and now we can see Google interface instead of Gemini. Also, you can press and hold your power button, but if in your case this power off menu triggers, then you can go inside button settings. And as for long press, switch from power off menu to digital assistant and make sure that you selected Google. Now you can long press the power button and Google Assistant will be triggered immediately. So if something isn't working right, then you can just update your device if you can see those options, because usually updates include fixing old issues and adding new features. And also make sure that you got all of the necessary permissions for Google. You can go in your Google services. Here find Search Assistant and Voice, go in Google, and make sure everything is enabled right here. And yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.